One important thing when you're running a business is to tell your customers or potential customers, that you're a genuine business. So what we've done is set up some widgets you can put onto your website. So these are our center approval widgets. Now there's 4 widgets. The first one is a standard red logo, and on there you'll see there's a center number. This number our system will generate, and that will stay with you, and also an expiry date. So depending on what time of the year you take this course, it'll either be for the end of the current year or the end of the following year. So with the widgets themselves, you actually add them to your website using actual HTML code. So with that, you would find there's a way on your website when you're editing it, or you can send it to your web developer if you've got someone else doing it, a little button that will say add HTML code. And if you need help with this, you can call us. Now we're reasonably good on most of the sites, but generally have a look at your site to start with, or better still, if you phone up your web company who do your website, they'll be able to help you as well. So the code is just a random set of a code. You won't mean anything to you, but when you import it into your site, then the widget will pop up. And the important thing about the widgets is as you change and you go from a standard to a bronze to silver to gold, it will automatically update. It will also automatically update the expiry date. So as you're working through and you get better and better and you go up the center levels, you don't need to go back onto your website. Now, when you put the widget on your website, if you look at your live site and you just see a load of HTML code on there, it means that you've pasted it in as a words on the page, not as code. So have a look and say insert the code. That's the main way that if people are going to go wrong, that's what they do. They just paste the code onto the page and expect it to work. Now you need to add it as a code. Similar as you would add insert an image. There'll be another button that says insert code. Now within the logos, the start one is the red one that you get, and then you can go up to the bronze level and the silver and then the gold level. As I said, they change automatically. So as soon as you get upgraded, then it happens. So it's worth looking at the requirements for the next level up. And to go on to bronze, it's reasonably easy to get up to that level. And then you need to apply to us. So you'll have a look at the document that's on the dashboard. From there, you can literally just add the rating you want, email it over to us. We'll review that and get you updated. The way the systems work is that if we update you on a Monday, your logo on your website will automatically change on a Tuesday, because these are done overnight. The updates are done on the system rather than instantly. When it then comes to the end of the year, we have an annual renewal scheme where you just literally, it's not a cost thing, but you do need to reapply for your center. When you do that, we process the paperwork, then the logo will automatically update for the following year. Typically we usually start those in December, and then you've got until the end of January to get it done. If you don't do it after January, then your dashboard will be restricted until you send the form in to renew yourself for the following year. But that's not a cost thing. It's purely a matter of just making sure that everyone's up to date with all the latest data for you. And also it gives you, you can see all the rules and regulations. If there's been any changes, you can just agree to them and move on with it. So the widgets are really, really useful. The other good thing about them is once they're on your website, if someone clicks on the widget, then it will take them to another screen on our site, which just confirms that you're a genuine center. And what people do want to see, they do want to see that you're a genuine pro training center. And by doing that, they know they're going to get a genuine pro training certificate, and it states there. So it's a very good way of giving people the satisfaction, the comfort that you are selling them a genuine course. And it's what people want. It's the sort of thing when you look at going on Amazon or eBay, you look at reviews and things like this. Well, our system's built in the same way. You can look and click the logo on these widgets and see that it's a genuine center. And there's also a widget we have on our system which is for reviews. So you can have a widget on your website in a similar way. And then when people leave course evaluations on the system, you'll very quickly get a rating that will grow and grow and grow, and people can see what they thought of your courses. And some instructors always worry about that. Well, what if someone puts something bad on it? Well, only someone who's completed the course with you can do it. You can't have other people outside that doing it. The course evaluations are done when they finish their digital test in the classroom. So, it's real information there, that it's very current, and you'll be very surprised, very pleasantly surprised at all the good things people say about your courses. So it gives more credibility that you're issuing genuine certificates, and also that, they're getting a good course back. So the widgets are very, very useful to add. You can also use the widgets on literature and other information like that if you need to. But if you're printing leaflets and you're doing a widget, then obviously, if you go up to the next level, you'll need to reprint those. So try and keep everything as digital as possible.